got a $6.25 sushi order. Get out of
Y'all been drinking tonight?
No. Let's see.
This spider actually chases people. Camel spiders live in the hot desert and seek shade. This includes people's shadows, so when they see a shadow, they chase after it in an attempt to seek shelter.
He's right here, dude. He's right here. Hold on. Hold on. Ooh, look at that, dude. Now that's a coward, dude. Y'all come along with us. Louisiana.
Adam, don't leave me. Please don't leave me. Don't lock me outside. Oh, fuck that. Hurry your ass up. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him.
Go reach around and put it in a bucket. Get it in a bucket. You got this. Yeah! Yay! Don't let it fall out.
Oh my god. Keep pushing it down. Okay, you did good.
Victor, 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 Victor.
My dog forgot my brother-in-law walked in.
I have a fucking boyfriend.
Your fucking luggage is running.
Go, Jalissa.
Go ahead, Jalissa, go. Hey, hold on. No, we're pushing. No, we're pushing. I get scared.
Oh, she wasn't ready.
Oh my. Smashed up against the glass. It won't even move. Oh, it's starting to go. I'm hitting a skill shot. I'm holding it to relieve the pressure, and then let's let go of it and add some pressure. Oh my gosh. It's almost there. Oh my goodness. It's about to go. You don't need no slow motion for this one, do we? Oh my gosh. It's about to go. Come on. Oh yeah. Oh, it's still stuck though. Oh look.